Goodbye, hello, goodbye. Hello, goodbye. Whoa. I look like Predator. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, hi. How you doing? It's been a while. It's been a while since I haven't looked crazy on screen. So I will be doing that today. I just got home from work. Actually, my husband and I just came home from breakfast and I haven't slept in about 4 days. So this makeup is my all-night makeup. So I apologize if you see any, y'all, whatever. This is worked on makeup, okay? It is what it is. You're getting what you're getting. But I wanted to review for you guys. I may or may not have picked up just a couple wigs, like maybe like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wigs maybe. Yeah, to review for you guys. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is actually review at least one of them today, and the title of it will be down below. So I'm just gonna open up this box and I'm gonna pick out a wig that I'm gonna review today, and that's gonna be the title of this video, so you guys know this before I do. Get it? Anyway, so little disclaimer, I'll be wearing the same shirt for pretty much all of the wig reviews. I like to wear a neutral top, like a black, preferably a black top, or a gray top, something neutral, or even white. But I still kind of prefer just wearing like a black top for pretty much most, if not all, of my wig reviews, because it doesn't take away from the colors of the unit or add, you know, it just doesn't wash it out. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut this baby open. All right. I haven't been on camera in a bit. Sorry. But I do have some videos pre-filmed. More likely you're gonna see one of these wig reviews first. They're easier for me to edit, and y'all, if y'all been here on my channel for more than like a minute, you would know that I don't have as much time as I used to. Not that I had much anyway to start with, pero you know. Anyway, all right, you good, Gucci? Cool. All right. Okay, so I have a lot of wigs here. I think I'm just gonna pick out the first one, and that's the one we're gonna review, and then we're just gonna go down the line. And as you guys can tell, I no longer have my gray hair. Eeny, meeny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let me go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mother told me to pick the very best one, and you are not it. Damn it, this one. Okay, I'm not gonna want the one to the left. All right. Ooh, okay. Today we're actually going to be reviewing this is the Outre wig. By the way, I forgot what I ordered. I don't care. You guys know this. I order a whole bunch of wigs. Forget about it. But I actually bought these recently and they came within a few days. So I was actually shocked. But then again, I have no concept of time anymore. But whatever. So this is the Outre Tatum wig. And I got her in the shade Dr4 Ruby Red because I wanted to, you know, get more red shades in case I get sick of my red hair and go black. I bought some other stuff. Oh, I bought other goodies. I got some, I love me a good cheap eyebrow pencil. So I picked a couple of these 99-cent ones off just to try them out. I like to test them out on days that I don't care about my appearance, which is actually most days. What else did I get? I'm trying to see if the receipts are in here. Yeah. Oh, this feels soft. This actually feels lightweight. I haven't bought any synthetic wigs in the longest time. Oh, I'm about this color. I think on my viewfinder it looks more vibrant red raspberry. And it kind of looks like that in person, but I feel like on my viewfinder it looks more highlighty. Like here I see like tones of like red orange, and then I see cool tones of red, and I'm not mad at it. Okay, all right. Hi Duke, welcome to the party. So you're gonna hear tic-tacking, and that's my boy Duke. He is just a bundle of joy, right baby? Right? I don't have any snacks. If that's what you're here for, sweetie, I have a rude awakening for you. I do not have any snacks. All he wants is snacks. That's all he wants. All right, so I'm just taking the stock card out. This is her, and I think this is in the shade Dr4 Copper Gold, which I think it's really pretty if you're into those kind of coppery shades. I would not look good in that. So this is the, oh, she feels tight. She feels like not big head friendly on the perimeter. So this is, it's got soft lace. It's got the about like a 3-inch parting space. It's got a generic lace cap with the tracks. It has a plastic comb, which And either there, I don't really have a preference sometimes. 2 metal combs in the front, 1 plastic, 1 in the back. I mean, this will hurt less, but I don't know how you know, how structurally handles, you know, big mounds of hair. It has the straps, of course, the adjustable straps, which I'm just gonna preset on this like smallest setting, I guess. Not smallest setting, on the larger setting. This cap on the perimeter feels like it would be snug already, just from me feeling her up. Just gonna go ahead, cut the lace. She's got these really pretty waves, which I like. And she has like dark roots, but the dark roots have like highlighted red areas. So you could see some like red fibers in it because this is not human hair. She does have some baby hairs that are a little bit longer for those that like to trim their baby hairs or those that like longer baby hairs. Okay, so she's a middle part. You guys know how I feel about middle parts, but so far the middle parts I've tried, oh wow, this is tight. Shoot, this is okay, not big head friendly. Oh my god, that is tight. That's what she said. That's what he said. Whatever. Oh wow, this is snug. Look, the combs are sticking out. Okay, there we go, better. This is a snug wig. Wow, what are we doing? Okay. I like that. The more you play with it though, I'm sure the fuller it'll get. But this is giving me like shorter hair, Chaka Khan vibes. Love the color. The color is dope. I'm trying to see if I could turn around with this bad boy. Let me just show you guys the back from now before I start messing with it. So this is the back of the wig. She looks really full. The hair is really, really soft. The fibers on this is really, really soft. I don't think you see any tracks. I don't feel anything. This is the length. And I'm trying to turn around without hitting my shin. I'll be right. She's cute. So clearly this wig cap is really, really small. I'm gonna go ahead and let's just turn the wig and give me a side part because that looks better. To me, a side part just suits me for most cases when it comes to a unit, especially curly hair. I'm gonna freaking, let me see. Let me turn it the other way and see which side I like it better on. First of all, one side fits less comfortably than the other. Okay, I don't like this side at all. All right, so we're gonna work with this right here. Yeah, I like it off to the side. It is a very small cap though, guys. I feel like, nope, you don't have room up here. Like, you know how some people like have that room, or some brands have a room on the cap that if you have thin hair, you could tell. I don't care because, you know, it is what it is. I would rather it be universally, like just big head friendly if that's the case, because I can always make something work for me. I like her. Definitely better as a side part. 110% better as a side part. I'm gonna take some of my Wig Makeup Kit. This is their new Wig Makeup Kit that she sent me. This one is in vanilla, which is the lighter shade. I think I can personally go up a size. I'm gonna use the brush that comes with it, actually. I'm gonna use the shade Shell and Bone, which is the last. Is it the last? Yeah, Shell and Bone. And because the lace is already kind of darker, I think it'll help out with any powders that you put on it. I think it'll look good nonetheless. My one con for this is the wig cap. The wig cap is very, very snug. Even on me, I can feel that maybe this is a wig cap or a wig that would give me a headache after extensive wear, which, let's be honest, you guys know that I work long shifts, so a wig like this would probably trigger a migraine. So just be mindful that this wig has a very small cap. So you love nice, big, jushy, curly, wavy, sexy hair, and you have a small head, small peanut head, or smaller than mine, this one is definitely the way to go. I love the curl pattern on this. The color is beautiful. The texture feels really soft. Like it doesn't feel like more yaki texture. It feels like a natural yaki, what a natural yaki would feel like. I think she looks good. I mean, I just feel like this is something to get used to because I naturally don't wear big head. I naturally don't wear big hair. This is just, these are always some that take a little bit of getting used to me, but I love this color. It's amazing. The texture feels good. The waves on it are nice. If you play with her a little bit, you could definitely volume her up, which I'm all for nonetheless, especially if that's your cup of tea. The fibers on this feel great. I don't want to brush it and make it frizzy. I do like shifting the parts. I feel like it doesn't really look like I'm making it completely uneven. I do love it though. I do think it's sexy, it's cute, it's flirty, it's lightweight, it's super inexpensive. This comes in an array of really nice colors: honeybee, copper gold, vivid copper, of course this ruby red, and it comes in the traditional, the 1 2B and all that stuff. So I think she's really cute. Of course I love the color. Of course I do. T-ways. This wig is really cute. This is again Tatum by Outre wig. I actually love the build of this. I just wish the cap were just bigger because I can't really recommend this to someone that has a lot of hair and that has just a regular size head. I know it sounds weird, but I feel like, I don't know, I can't really recommend this wig because of the size of the wig cap. Like, you guys see it, it fits me exact. There's no humpage, nothing, because it fits me exact, which I personally love, but I also am worried that I'm gonna get headaches. I don't mind having control of tightening it and loosening it when I want to. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Outre Tatum wig. If you guys like this video, of course thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll try to find her and leave her link down below. A lot of these wigs that I bought were kind of like clearance wigs, but that doesn't mean that they're not available. It just means that they're just probably a new style of it out. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think down below. Hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.